So here is the step-by-step guidance that how you can chant clean mantra, especially for the beginner who have never worked with any kind of mantra, especially with clean. So in starting, you choose a particular time, especially in the morning, right? So if you chant this mantra in Brahm Muhurat or at least between 5 to 6 a.m. in the morning every day, you keep this time for chanting. So maybe you can start with 108 times, or you can simply start with 11, 21, 41, and then slowly you increase it to the 108 times. So write down the wish that you want to chant for. So any particular wish that you work for, at least start with 13, 21 days and then 41 days. So at a stretch, continuously chant for 13 days or 21 days or 41 days, right? So you have to be very specific with the timing and with the tenure or the time that you want to, or maybe you can chant for a continuous time period. So if you have taken this thing that, okay, I'll be chanting for 13 days, then it should be for 13 days. It should not be 14 or 15 if you have thought for 21 days. So if you have thought for 21 days, it should be 21 days. And if you have thought for 41 days, then it should be for 41 days. So this is how you need to chant clean mantra for any of your wish. Then after that, or maybe whenever you're chanting or during the chanting period, you will not have non-veg, or especially if you are a hardcore non-vegetarian. And for vegetarian, it is good, you can chant at a point of time, but for non-vegetarians you should have some precaution, especially when you're working to manifest some of your desire. Then all the time, during these manifestation periods like 13, 21 or 41 days, when you have started this manifestation chanting with clean mantra, you will not think anything negative. So you have to work on yourself a lot. So you have to make sure that all the environment and everything is positive around you. And if at any case it is not, then work towards it. Don't think, just stay away from any kind of negative thought or negative people. Otherwise, what will happen? Your mind can be distracted. You may feel bad, and whatever you will think, obviously with clean mantra, because it is working throughout the day, because once you have set the intention and sent the intention to the universe, so universe has started working towards it. Now what will happen if you chant or if you say anything negative during that period? So the energy will obstruct, the pathway of the energy will get obstruct towards manifestation. So you need to take these care. You need to take good care of these things. Then only your wish will be manifested very soon, and definitely it will get manifested. Now there is one more thing that beginners can do with this mantra. If you think that you are not very confident enough in chanting this mantra, then it is safe if you add Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. So you can start with Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha with this mantra as well. So it will help you to, somewhere segregate your thoughts. So what happens when you use universe energy, which is the Om, and then Kleem, which is the power, and then Krishnaya Namaha. So Krishna name, when you're using the Krishna consciousness in it, so obviously it has a intellect, because Krishna is all about love, purity, intellectual, and your obviously it represents your heart, right? So Krishna will help you, or God will help you to segregate the thoughts. So basically your mind, even if your mind thinks something negative during that manifestation period, so Krishna consciousness will intervene in that, and it will somewhere help you to segregate the thoughts that, okay, this is positive and this is negative, and we should not go and manifest the negative one. So it will it will become more directive to the universe. So that is why it is safe when you use Om Kleem Krishnaya Namaha. So I hope this video will sound helpful to you, and it will help you to manifest your desire. For any queries, please do comment below and let me know what all queries do you still have regarding this mantra and how I can help you further in it. Thank you so much. I'll be looking forward to your comments. Thank you so much, and stay blessed, everyone.